find it? So we've been looking for this green Corvette all morning. We saw online. We're gonna go check it out. See what happens. Uh-oh, there's your old Buick. Oh no. So Drew used to have one just like this.
Never again.
Was that one the twin like yours?
Well, they're all legal.
Oh.
Yeah. Mine was just a little shade. They still had $1,400 master subscription.
Yellow. Yes, sir. We are right behind you. Yep, there it is.
Have you ever seen these? That's a supercharger.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
I've never seen one in person. I've just seen pictures. Oh, a little camera. Oh, the wrong angle. Sorry.
This was a car back in the day, dude.
He said that it wasn't a 72.
This ain't the right car then.
Yeah, no, the other one was brighter green.
I didn't hear you.
So I said this ain't the right car then. Yeah.
Still on the prowl for the Vette. I don't know, 3,000 original miles. So that's not the one we saw.
No. The one I saw
Oh, so is it under a tent then?
Well, it's in a smaller, like a crappier version of one of these.
They're like, we should do something cool with the hood, like some hood vents. How many? Yes.
Yes. We need more cooling.
I want zero heat.
Oh yeah. I want it to act like there's not a hood on it.
Yeah. It's just literally like bare minimum, like rule spec hood.
Yeah, hell yeah.
better not.
Serial number 15, supercharged 6.2 liter, 560 horse V8.
Woo! Yeah, dude, that's nice.
They had over $1 million in the 50s in R&D to get that big hardtop to do that.
The convertible hardtop.
That big giant hardtop. Over $1 million in the 50s. That's shit. It's money. And then Mercedes tried to replicate it. So they tried for years to make it good. You know what?
I really want you to have. Give 130. You got 125, right? Hey, hold on. I got 100. Triple double. So $30,000. George, take a look here.
That's that Pontiac one.
1970
Crossfire.
ZR1 pilot car convertible. Here it is, the very first ZR1 ever built with supporting documentation included. Previously part of the Ed Foss collection. You betcha right here. Hey, come back to the auction now. Come back and look what we've got sitting in front of us. 500,000. 500. Out of the bag of the making on 5. Out of the bag of the making on 3. Out of the bag of the making on 100. 150. 25. 50. Hit 150. 75. 200. Out of the bag of the 222. Hit 200,000. Now 2 to bid. 2 to buy. Out of the bag of the what a car. Hit 200,000. Out of the bag of the making on 2. Hit 200,000. Out of the bag of the 2. Now 2. Now 2. Hit now 200,000. Out of the bag of the 2 to bid. 2 to bag of the making on 2. Hit 200,000. Pull it down about 2, 2, 2. Hit 200, 225, 225, hit it at 225, hit 225, thank you there, now 250. I'm going to get on 250, 250. I'm going to get on 275, you're out online. Hit 250, 275, I'm the back of the mound, 250, 275, hit 250, going to get 260, I'm the back of the get on 60, hit 60 to be the back of the mound, 70, I'm the back of the mound, 280, and now 90. The other internet's out, and now $300,000, and now 300. 3 at 310. I'm going to make it on 10 and 10 by 20. Hit 320. Now 20. Hit 320. 30. I'm going to make it on 30. I'm going to make it on 30. 50. Hit 350. I'm going to make it on 50. Hit 350. Now I'm going to make it on 50. I'm going to make it on 40. 50. You're out. Hit 40. 50. Internet. You're out as well. 350. I'm going to make it on 50. I'm going to make it on 340. 350. I'm going to make it on 50. Bullet. I'm about 50. I'm about 60. Hit 360, found our iron, I have about 60. Hit 360, I can make it on 70. I can make it on 70 to bid, 70 about 70. Hit 360, 370, found our iron, hit 370, internet, 370. I can make it on about 370. Have the back bolt, have the back, make it on 70. And now 80, and 380. Have the back, make it on 380. Hit 380. on 380. We got 370 bid. That's good 380. I'm going to get on 375, 380. I'm going to get on 380. I'm going to get on 380. I'm going to get on 380. I'm going to now on 90. I'm going to get on 380, 390. Or just give 400. Just give 400. Just give 400 and knock them out. 400. 400. You're all out. 410. You're all out. I'm going to 10. Hit 400. 410. Reserves off. 400's online. Going to be 410. Reserve is off. And now 10. And now 20. I'm going to get on 20. Hit 410. 20. I'm going to get on 20. Hit 410. 420 pound hour line. Hit 410. Reserves off. Internet. 420. 410. 420. I'm going to get on 410. 420. 420,000. 410. 420 pound hour line. Hit 410. Going to get $420,000. And I have once. 420,000 twice. Third and final call, 420. Sold, $410,000. Paul, thank you.
On F295 is 71 Corvette 01 Coupe of the Forestry, 1 of 8 Coupe built for 1971.
All right, I'm going to get on 200. Hit 200,000 out of the bank.